Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Block Outgoing Calls on iPhone. Let's dive right in. Locate and tap on the Settings app icon, which looks like a gray gear, on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your iPhone usage. If screen time isn't already activated, you'll need to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable it. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, which allows you to control what can be accessed and used on your device, depending on your preference, whether you want to block outgoing calls over cellular data or Wi-Fi. Locate and tap on either cellular data or Wi-Fi. Enter the content and tap on cellular data calls or Wi-Fi calls. Based on your selection in the previous step, toggle the switch to Don't Allow. This action will block all outgoing calls made using the selected connection, either cellular data or Wi-Fi. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.